Hey, scholarly students, I'm glad you're here. We're going to do some spelling today. Of course, we'll do our interactive writing to help us with spelling and then creating a silly sentence. This is Module 2, Cycle 12, Lesson 58.
Materials!
You'll need paper and pencil for today's lesson. Make sure you have that ready. Follow along with each learning target. I can add a prefix and/or a suffix to a base word to make and decode a new word. I can write a sentence using words with the spelling patterns TION and SION and other patterns I've learned.
Transition song!
Can you take a closer look, a closer look, a closer look? Can you take a closer look at these words today?
Word work!
All right, we'll be starting this word work practice by looking at prefixes, base words, and suffixes. This chart helps us to remember that prefixes are a part of a word that can be attached to the beginning, while a suffix is a part of a word that can be attached to the end. Prefixes and suffixes change the meaning of a base word. Remember, a base word can be a word all by itself. Let's take a look as these word parts appear and organize them into our chart. This first part says jog. Prefix, base word, or suffix? That's right. Jog is a base word. It can be a word all on its own. How about re? Re is a prefix meaning again, to do something again. We put it at the beginning. Try this one. You've got it. Is a suffix. It gets attached to the end of the word to make it mean more, or like a person, teacher. How about this one? Clean. Of course, that one's a base word. Try miss. Notice that it's miss with just one S. That is a prefix. It means wrongly. How about id? We talked about this one recently. Yes, it's a suffix meaning in the past. Try spell. That's a base word. How about s? Yes, that one's a suffix too. Great job.
Transition song!
Do you know the words we'll write? The words we'll write, the words we'll write. Do you know the words we'll write on our paper today?
Writing!
Make sure you have your paper and pencil ready for these shun words. Listen carefully as I say each one. Break it up into syllables to help you spell it, because some of these are tricky. You'll need lots of different spelling patterns to help you, but especially focus on that shun sound to decide if it's TION or SION. Try this first word. Fiction. Fiction. Go ahead. I hope you use that TION pattern. Here it is. Fiction. Fiction. All right, here comes the second one. It's the word conversation. Break it up into syllables. Conversation. Try it. Here comes each syllable. Con, ver, say, shun, T-I-O-N again. Great job. This word is confusion. Again, you'll listen for those syllables. Confusion. Try it. Let's check this one together. Confusion. S-I-O-N this time. Good job. Try this last word. Mission. Mission. I hear the shun sound clearly there. Try it out. Here it comes. Mission. S-I-O-N. Those are tough. To help us remember those words, we'll put them together in a silly sentence right now. Go ahead. I'll give you a couple minutes. Try to use all of those words we just practiced in a creative way. How can you fit them together into a silly sentence? Go ahead. Remember to start with that capital letter and to end with punctuation. Maybe a period today. Tap out the sounds of every syllable to check your spelling. Keep going. All right, just a few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the one I came up with. Our mission was to have a conversation that would clear up the confusion about the fiction story we read. Go ahead and share your sentence. That sure was silly. Thanks for sharing with me.
Closing reflection.
How did you take responsibility for your learning today? Which shun pattern still feels a bit tricky? Try writing more sentences with shun words to make a silly story. Thanks for coming and working so hard today. I know this pattern's tough. Stick with it. I'll see you next time.